Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the Steven brundage magic trick. Like, in that magic trick he could solve the Rubik's Cube within a millisecond. So the real trick to the real part of the trick was just one algorithm that he did in his trick. The three sides of the cube were solved and the three sides were unsolved. So in today's video I'm going to show you how he did that. So guys, this is the algorithm, note it down so you can just create this amazing magic trick. So first time, so you can see the three sides are solved and the other sides are unsolved. So guys, I had a 4x4 cube, so you can just try it on a 3x3 cube like I did it. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave the comments if you like the video. And if you don't like the video, the dislike button is for you there, but I'm sure you will like it.